Right guys, I'm in Malaga today. I'm going to get the train to Rio de la Mir. I don't know if I can do any more videos today. I did a video at the airport yesterday, and I did a video about, wait a second. Okay, I did a video about the train tickets. Actually, the train tickets are only working until the end of this month. Next year there won't be any more train tickets. That's enough of me. We're here in Malaga. We're gonna check out another train station called Vialia, the main train station. It's the local Cercanías, which takes you along the coast, but also the main train station in Vialia takes you inland to places like Granada, Valencia, Barcelona, Madrid. I think Granada. But anyway, we're going to check it out. So it didn't rain last night when I was coming back from the airport. When I was doing the video in the airport, it was really cloudy. Look at the sky now. From one day to the next, there's a huge difference. Now, not long ago, this used to be a work site. They were doing the underground, the metro, and now it's a bike lane. All covered up, all nice and clean. So over there it's Eroski, Lario Centre, where I did the Primark video the other day. It's one of those days, it's warm in the sun, but chilly in the shade. It's a little bit windy. I've still got a t-shirt on and shorts. An Englishman in Malaga. What do you expect? So we're here at Vialia. This is the train station. Years ago it used to be something very much smaller, but over the years it got built a hell of a lot bigger. Also next to the train station you have the bus station. That's the bus station there. So as well as the train station, it's also a shopping centre. You have underground station as well. So as I said, it's a shopping centre as well. You also have Pepco right next to it, Sports Direct. So that's the main entrance to the train station. And there's the train station right there. So the trains do go to Granada. I wasn't sure, but obviously they do. There's the proof right there. So you can't, used to be able to walk right all the way through, but you can't anymore because of security. You've also got the Hotel Barcelona here. So I'm going to take the train to, I think I'm going to go to Rio today on the Cercanías line. Like I said, there's lots of shops. You've got Orange here, you've got Vodafone, it's the main office there. Okay, so we're going to get the train now to Arroyo de la Miel, a bit of Mar de Costa. As I said, I don't know if I'll be doing any more videos today. So that takes you to the station that I normally use, and this takes you to the airport C2 line, which is inland, the airport terminus, and all the way to Fuengirola. I'm going to end the video there, guys. Bye for now.